Hi, hello. This is Prasananjanelu from Beltech University. We are doing the e-voting using AES and a blockchain for preventing the tampering and votes. And myself Prasananjanelu and my teammate Sudarshan. This is our agenda, and this is an abstract. From here, my friend will continue.
Hi, my name is Sudarshan, and we are doing the project of e-voting system, and now we are going to see about the process of abstract. Election is very important event in the modern days, but in the nowadays the society are doing more tampering using that e-voting system, because in the machine they can easily change it according to their election leaders priority, and they are doing many tamperings through that. So this thing should be avoided. For that purpose we are using electronic voting e-voting system through this blockchain technology. Using this system we can't able to tamper, or we can't able to do something. And that and the aim of the project is to modernize, which is based on using blockchain technology of AES to develop an algorithm which will read the data from the user. And scope of the project is the same. The tampering should be reduced, and the people vote should be collected truly, and the result should be very truly, so that the process need to return and make that response to real-time data which could form device from neural places. Introduction. This e-voting system has been subjected to achieve research from the past decade with the goals minimize the cost running an election while ensuring that elections safe for fitting and security, privacy and government equipment. Blockchain is the technology which we used here to prevent that. The project purpose a new e-voting system based on identity voting equipment and the blockchain as a service.
This is a literature review, and
this is a model 1. In that model 1 we are going to see that admin model, like how the client going to add this. So we need to add a party, view leader, view user, view result. These things will be added. And model 2 we should add a voter and voter result. Architecture diagram and data flow diagram. ER diagram. Conclusion. In the conclusion part, the e-voting system to become open, transcript and independent auditor solution would be based in blockchain technology. This characters comes from decentralized network and can bring more remote process to election, especially to district election system, direct election system. Thank you.
Hey, hi. Come again. That's e-voting using AES and blockchain technology. Using AES and blockchain technology. Here we see the code for that. This is all code for the apps, so like a front end. This part is everything is for front end. Here we can use a React code JavaScript in JavaScript, and here this is the code. Up to here we have used JavaScript and for front end purpose only JavaScript and HTML for doing voting. From here we have used it for the name and submit purpose, or for which group we are giving a name, duration of time he will take to the vote, like that we have given in the HTML code. And also we can add voters like one by one, like that we have add. And here you can see that columns in the table And the votes, how many votes, ID, name, votes, whether vote is finished or not, already whether he is voted or not, like that we can give in HTML. And later we will see here. Next is an index. This is the type a bootstrap as a document purpose, is a CSS for coloring. Here this is details. This is for loading and completion race conditions with Web3 injection timing, whether it is account is accessed or not for this purpose. And this is the local host for a default. This is the part for you we have used for front end purpose. For back end we have used that is in Ethereum. Here we can see the background code which is done by Iscore as an Ethereum code. Here for everything, for every action what we are doing in voting, that it will show that it's true or false and everything will be there. Here we can see that code is in an Ethereum part. It's very long code, the backend part of the project. Previously we have seen this the part and for front end part and everything, the CSS and JavaScript and HTML some web process. And this is the code for fully for background purpose. Everything it will check and redirect to the front page, whether it is viewing is false or true, and names is scattered. It check with these other numbers and everything. These are all other sets. Here you can see everything. Documents and values, not type name constant. So this thing everything will be in back end. These three have used for the front end development. I'll show you how the project will run. I see here, this is the project. Here we can give a transfer to voting system. Here first we need to give our name. Let us take name as Srinivas. And choices means to whom you are giving vote. For suppose Jagan. Chandrababu. Pawan. Okay. Duration of time. Let us take in seconds, not in minutes. Okay. I'm taking, it will take about 10 minutes. So for seconds it will convert to 600 seconds. Here we can go and submit. This is called an Ethereum version. This is here we need to do some details for fee and everything, something. So we need to confirm there. And some add some other orders. Right, so you can take like which one will take stand some. Here we can see transactional confirmed beyond, like that. See here we have voted for Srinivas, like choices like here you see Jagan, submit. That's it.